welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you another product that I found through YesStyle's affiliate program. And through this affiliate program, I get to pick products that I'm interested in trying out and reviewing, and it's so great because I can discover new things and I find a lot of my favorites that way. So this is the Beauty of Joseon Dynasty cream. This is actually the jumbo size. And Beauty of Joseon is a Korean brand, and a lot of their focus is on hydrating creams and anti-aging, so very much something I'm looking at. This is a really nice size tube. This is 3.38 fluid ounces or 100 mLs. And the Dynasty cream was actually the first product from Beauty of Joseon. So it's a product that started them out. A lot of people love it, which is why I think they went ahead and are now offering the larger size. And some of the things that drew me to this product, or at least, had me wanting to try it out, the ingredients. So this is supposed to be a cream that is a rich moisturizing cream. This is really great for these drier winter months. And when I look at some of these ingredients, I'm seeing hyaluronic acid, sodium hyaluronate, a few different forms of hyaluronic acid, which is telling me that the different molecular sizes are going to be much better at penetrating the skin. Also ceramides and squalene, so lots of moisturizing factors. There's niacinamide to help with the appearance of skin, give a nice glow. There's also rice bran water, and there's some ginseng extract. A lot of these ingredients are going to help keep your skin moisturized and looking very supple. It's supposed to give a really nice dewy, glowy finish, especially if you use it with any kind of foundation or tinted SPF. So I'm excited to do that. And a lot of these ingredients are also great for anti-aging. So let's see what the cream looks like. It doesn't have a smell, and it's really nice. Rubs into your skin, doesn't feel greasy, doesn't feel too heavy, but I can just tell, just based on what it's doing to my hand, how nice that is. You see, moisturized, just like the bounciness of it. So that's great. I'm going to go ahead and put my affiliate code down below so you can check out some of the great products YesStyle has to offer and see if this is something you might be interested. Please let me know in the comments down below if you're a fan of Beauty of Joseon and what some of your favorite products are. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next video. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you. Bye.